So 10 to the power of a Google is called a Googleplex using the same speed of writing. Okay. So 10 to the power 100 is called a Google. So what is 10 to the power 2? How many zeros it has? 100. What is 10 to the power 3? How many zeros it has? 3.
3.
So how many zeros 10 to the power 100 will have?
Sir, 100.
And we have to, so we have to write 100 into 10 to the power 100, correct? So 10 to the power 100 will have 100 zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2. So total we have 102 zeros and 1 1.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Right or no?
Yes, sir.
So how much times it takes to write 1 0? So 1 0 it is 1 by 5 multiplied by 102 and plus 1 by 10. So do the maths and tell me.
20.4 plus 0.1.
So 20.4 plus 0.1,
0.1.
which is
20.
equal to
20.5.
22nd question. This is 1.7b. 22nd question. So we'll get 20.5, right, seconds to write these many Googles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why don't we count the 0 in 10?
Beta, यहाँ पे here I have explained 10 square is 100, 10 cube is 1000. तो कितने zeros आ रहे हैं, my dear Aussie?
Sir,
First
understood.
of all, you need to start your camera because
Yes,
I
sir.
cannot, interact with, people whom
Sir,
I
I
can't.
understood, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Question is 10 to the power of Google is called a Googleplex. So what is Google? So we have 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 100. Do we understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So how many zeros will this have? That is the
There are
main.
1000 zeros, I think.
So first of all, how many zeros 10 to the power 100 will have? How many?
100.
100.
Yeah?
100.
100.
So 10 to the power 100 will have 100 zeros.
So then 100 into 10 into 10 into 10, so 10 times. Maybe.
Beta no. This is 1 with 100 zeros. You understand, the power is 1 with 100 zeros. So when you do 10 to the power that number, what will you
So
get?
100 and 200, so that 10 times you can do. So then also, so it will be very big.
Ore, how will we do this? Last class I solved it.
Sir, I don't remember.
So give me 2 minutes. Let me solve it in my notebook and I'll just explain you. Okay. This question will need the help of my notebook. So we have to do 10 raised to the power, 10 raised to the power 100. Fine. So what else, guys? What else we have to do? Any other doubts, Ray?
No, sir, so this only.
This only. Okay. So so I have given the revision exercise as homework. Any doubts from that? First of all, how many of you have completed it?
Sir, I have not completed it, but I have done few of these.
So how many of you have not completed it? So Tanish and only Tanish.
Sir, I've done half of.
So half hand from Kovar and one hand from Tanish. Why is that, Tanish? So today you have to do this exercise non-calculator section from 1 to 10 for homework. All right, you can leave the calculator section. So we can practice rationalization, which we were practicing in the last class. Any other topic that you guys are facing a problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's great.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, actually, I asked this Saurav sir our syllabus, and he said that the syllabus is till 1.8.
Okay, beta, but we have covered the whole curriculum except for the calculator part.
Yes,
So
sir.
if we do 1 or 2 questions extra also, that will not hurt us. That will not hurt anyone.
Yes.
That will not hurt Indians. That will not hurt the students of Ludhiana. That will not hurt Australians. It will not hurt anyone. All right, guys. So let's start from this question. Did we do the F part? Let's do the F part. So Ray, Sami, and Tanish, all three have given different answers.
Which one is correct?
So Ray is correct and rest are wrong. All right, Ore answer is correct. Kuvar's answer is wrong. And V answer is correct. So let's see, guys. We will multiply with 2 plus 3 root 2. Everyone did that,
But
yes or
if
no?
we answer 10 plus 15 under root 2,
No, beta, not exactly.
So
So
it
now
was
this will
-10
be
-15
this will be a square minus b square. So your numerator remains same. This will be a square will be 4 minus b square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18. Any confusion in this?
no
This will
sir.
be 5, 2 plus 3 is 2 upon minus 14. So which can be written as आप negative ऊपर लगा दो, आप इसको brackets open कर लो. So whatever you can do, play with it. This is your answer. All right, everyone.
Yes sir.
Kuvarsa and Same
Sir understood.
and Aussie. Understood, guys?
sir, how
So
did 18 come?
how did 18 come? 3 ka square 9, root 2 ka square 2. So 9 into 2, 18.
Sir, but minus 3 root 1 plus 3 root 2, won't they get cancelled?
कहाँ minus 3 root 1 plus 3 root 2?
Sir, in the denominator.
आप ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो दोनों को? पहले अनम्यूट कर लो भाई.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, understood.
आप ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो दोनों को?
Yes.
This is a minus b, this is a plus b. मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लगाना है, a square minus b square. मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और लेंथी हो जाएगा. Understood? You
Yes.
can multiply, you will get the same answer, but don't multiply.
Yes, sir.
Which question you want to do? Chalo, do an easy question, A part. Don't mess it up.
Sir, what is this Q and E? Sir, what A and B is.
Yes, sir. What is
You will better understand. When you will get the answer, na, you have to write in the form of integer plus some number times root 2.
Yes.
Sir, I sent my answer. Is it correct?
Yes, Sami and V Ore answers are correct. And Kuvarsa. And Aussie. Aussie answer is wrong.
correct or wrong?
Yes, Kuvarsa, it's correct. Aussie थोड़ी सी mistake है. Aussie recordings पूरी देखी नहीं देखी?
देखिए.
ठीक है. Then let's see. So 4 upon 2 minus root 2, 2 plus root 2. So 2 plus root 2 will come here. Then I will let it be like this only because I know it will get cancelled out. This will be 4 minus 2. which will be 2. So this is my final answer. Anish got it.
Yes.
And Ray, I did not get your answer.
Yes, sir, I got confused because I copied down the question.
So which one you want to do? करना है A part करना है. This is slightly tougher. Want to do?
Okay, sir.
This type of question can come in the exam. ऐसा नहीं आ नहीं सकता. So Ray some में Ray correct.
Sir, mine is correct or wrong?
So Ray, Samay, Ore are correct. Anvi, it is correct. So Kuvarsa and Tanish. Those who have done can try the fifth question, last question of this type. Kumarsa, correct. Tanish,
Sir, I don't.
beta ये मत बोलो I don't know. Send me the screenshot.
Sir, I can't solve it.
Listen to me ना. इसको first को rationalize करो. इसको rationalize करो. दोनों को rationalize करो. Send me a screenshot. And rationalize नहीं भी करना तो भी cross multiply. So cross multiply से better rationalize कर लो.
Sir, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से 8 आएगा.
Cross multiply से 8 आएगा. Divide by क्या हो जाएगा इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट? क्या होगा इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट? a plus b a minus b.
Sir, a square minus b square.
Which is what beta? Which is what? A square minus b square तो है, which is what?
-2.
-4 is the answer.
What is the answer?
What is
Sir, what is the answer? -4 or -2?
-4?
Sir, my answer is coming minus.
Got it Tanish कि नहीं?
Sir, my answer is coming -2.
बेटा जब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे दिस विल बिकम 8. करेक्ट. टॉप में a square minus b square 1 minus 3 8 upon -2 which is -4.
Okay, sir.
Sixth question was supposed to be very easy. It was an oral question.
So fifth.
Yeah, fifth.
Sir, send you the answer.
That's strange, guys. You are getting the easiest question wrong. This is as easy as it can be.
We have to do fifth question, right?
Yes, sir. So, coerce, ore, re, coersa, same. Aussie, all wrong. Should I solve it? It's a baby question. And we all wrong. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई?
तो दो अंडर रूट
तो दो रूट कैंसिल हो जाएंगे ना?
ऐसे कैंसिल नहीं होते बेटे.
Sir, I
This is
squared them. That
3
okay?
plus 2 root 2. बहुत मैंने गलती से दे दिया, ये तो मैं दे ही नहीं रहा था. 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. कोई problem guys? Any problem? So this becomes 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square upon 9 minus 8. कोई problem?
No, sir.
This
No, sir.
becomes 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square upon 1. This becomes 3 plus 2 root 2. कोई problem?
No,
No, sir.
नो सर मैं तो उसको सॉल्व कर लिया था 17 प्लस 12 रूट 2.
Got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was a very easy question I gave by mistake. So Ray, if you don't
Okay.
use the book online, can you share the code for the learner's book also?
Learner's book, sir, it's not arrived yet. So workbook, sir, I sent you the code.
Any other topic that is weak that we can practice in the class that needs practice? Because now I think you will not make any mistake.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we have not done sin and cos, but in the worksheet you said the questions of sin and cos are there.
बेटा छोड़ देना वो questions.
Okay.
And better don't, just get into any sins and all, better.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, Kovar?
Yes, sir.
This is the workbook.
So can you share the code for the work?
Code for the workbook.
Sir, but
Yeah.
one code can be only used in one time.
One time, yes. And beta, you have to practice it. I have to teach, so you can buy. आप वर्कबुक ले लो, मेन बुक मत लो. आई थिंक मेन बुक एक्सपेंसिव भी है. इट हैज द कोर पार्ट आल्सो. Do the fourth question. All right, Anvi. Anvi, you have practiced them all?
No, sir. I'm still on 1.6.
Sir, which question did we have to do?
Fourth, Ozzy and Ray answers are wrong. Who was the answer wrong, guys? All you have to do is find the LCM of 30 and 120, and the answer would be 120. Should I show the working? LCM of 30 and 120. Uvarsa and Aussie, should I show how it needs to be done?
No, sir, I understood.
You understood? Do the fifth and sixth question. All right, Anvi, answers are correct. Sami, answers are correct. Ray, first answer is correct. Aussie 200 कैसे आ जाएगा बेटा? Aussie unmute करो बेटा. Please don't turn off your camera. LCM क्यों लोगे? स्टूडेंट्स ज्यादा थोड़ी हो जाएंगे. स्टूडेंट्स को अगर आपने एलसीएम ले दिया तो मींस आपने कट कर दिया फ्रूट को. फ्रूट को कट नहीं करेंगे बेटा. We are a poor country but not that poor.
Is my answer correct?
Yes.
Is my answer correct?
Yes को वर्षा रे. We will find the HCF कि सबको
Is my answer
sweets
correct?
मिल जाए equal. It doesn't mean the answer is 20 for this one. Ore, your answer is wrong. The HCF is 20. Tanish and Nore got it. Do the sixth question. So Yanvi has already done. Answer is wrong, Ore. Guys, should I give 2 more minutes or should I explain?
So please go to 1 minute.
No, guys, not getting the correct answer.
So send to my answer.
All right, guys, let's see. So how will we do this, Anvi? So first of all, we have to find the measurement of the
HCF.
tile, which
We'll find
will,
the HCF.
yes, we'll find the HCF, which we can cut out from the C. Question kya hai? 1 second, guys. The screen shared stopped.
So for the A part, the answer will be 10 centimeters square.
But let me explain you. ये आपका hall है. So you have to, arrange the tiles in such a way that ना तो आपकी breadth में कट हो, ना आपकी length में कट हो. Means this is allowed. But अगर ऐसा होता, let me make a pattern with a blue tile. अगर मेरी टाइल की लेंथ ऐसी हो, सो जिसमें कट आ जाए, जैसे अगर मेरी टाइल की लेंथ ऐसी होती जिसमें कट आ जाते, सो दिस पोर्शन आई वुड हैव टू कट. So this is not allowed. So you have to use the biggest tile that will cover the length and breadth exactly. So for that, you have to find the HCF of 320 and 672. So what is the HCF of 320 and
10.
672? 10 are, I haven't checked.
So the for 320,
16.
So Anvi, what's the HCF? चलो solve कर
32.
लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं.
52.
32 is the HCF, she says, which is correct. So this will come here and we will use 10s are 320. So how many of you know this method of finding the HCF? So 32 is the
Sir, I
HCF.
know it.
So who doesn't know this method of finding the HCF? This method is very handy for bigger numbers. Tanish, आपको नहीं आता और किसको नहीं आता? So Tanish, look here. I'll explain one question. 672 को 320 से divide करना है. 322s are 640. 32 आया. Then the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. So 32 tens are 320. Previous divisor क्या था? 320. It becomes the new dividend. All right.
Yes, sir.
So find the HCF of 72 and 90. So this is the 32 centimeters is the tile length. So we will do 32 into 32 to get the area. Then how many tiles we will need? We will divide it. 320 into 672 upon 32 into 32.
Sir, but how do I know which number to put first? Like, we can put 672 also in the place of 320.
बेटा बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे ना भाई. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Danish?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Danish.
So for 72 and 90, it is 18. Sir,
Everyone
18,
send in the
sir.
chat. Chat, send me in the chat. HCF of 72 and 90 in the chat. Don't speak. All right, Aussie, Goer, Ray, and Samay answers are correct. So Anvi
I have also sent.
and Ore, send me the HCF quickly.
Sir,
Ore, where are you? Aussie, correct. I said, but it's correct.
your voice.
You mean to say I didn't speak? Are you blaming me? I didn't speak.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Ore, you also understood? Should I explain again?
No, sir.
Guys, this is a very good practice book. At least सब लोग ना workbook call कर लो. Which page is 1.7 42? Rationalize the denominator. So let's do the Google question. So what does the Google question say? First of all, 10 to the power of Google is called a Googleplex. So Anvi, please pay attention. One Google is how much? One Google is 10 to the power what? क्या था? 10 to the power 100.
100.
They are saying 10 to the power 10 to the power 100. Right? अब 10 to the power 2 होता है. Anvi, you know this question clearly?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. So 10 to the power 2 has 2 zeros. 10 to the power 3 has 3 zeros. So 10 to the power 10 to the power 100 will have 10 to the power 100 zeros. Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
Guys, any confusion? So 1 0 we take 1 by 5 seconds to write. So 10 to the power 100 zeros we will take 1 by 10 to the power 100 into 1 by 5. Correct? There
Yes.
is one जिसको 1 by 10 second लगता है. This you can ignore also. Answer will not change because ये बहुत small है with respect to this. So this will be divided by what? These are in seconds. So if I have to convert into years, so 1 day has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 3600 times 24 times 365. Divide karo, you will get the answer. All right. So Samay, did you understand Samay?
Yes, sir.
And others, have you understood? Because
Yes.
we are doing this question for the second time, not first time. Please note it down this time. Don't make me solve the Google question again. Because there's too much Google in it. So this second I have converted into years.
Sir, for this question, we may need a calculator because
You need a calculator.
Yes.
It's not may, it's definitely you need a calculator.
Yes.
Only Samay can solve it without a calculator. All right, guys, can I switch screens? Can I erase? So you can write na 2 billion, this you can write. This you can write na million, billion.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you to write 2 billion and something, something. Tanish, you can write na?
Yes.
How many dollars still? How many dollars you can write, Tanish? Like you can write, you said na you can write till billions. So how many dollars can you write? Why beta? You must know.
Sir, quadrillion.
Please write it in the checkbook, guys. All right, Tanish.
Right.
Can you do that?
So can you repeat your voice of
I said please write it in the checkbook, Tanish.
Sir, I'm Kumar. What we have to write?
Till whichever number you know na. If you know till billion, write till billions only. We will manage.
Sir,
सर क्वाड्रिलियन फिट नहीं आना चेकबुक में
We
sir,
can use the formula of
ATV
Google na. How many? I think ये क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. मनी का भी है, since we are discussing about money. ये क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं 6th. Sixth question, guys. You guys can write in rupees and Aussie will write in Australian dollars. And we accept the units. Everything is correct. Make sure you write the units in the exam.
कीबोर्ड में कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है रुपीस की.
You can write RS and Alt Control 4 actually, lets you make the rupees sign. Yes. So ORA first answer is correct. Ray, both answers are wrong. So Anvi, if you want, you can leave for the day, Peter.
Bye, sir.
Anvi, good night. ORA answer is wrong. Guys, it should not take so much time. Let me explain.
Sir, send you the answer.
Simple, it's simple addition.
Sir, are my answers correct?
Ore, now your second answer is correct. And Ray, your answer is still not exactly matching. Kuvarsa, your answer, first answer is correct. Kuvarsa, second answer is wrong. So let's see, guys. So first 3 days, Tanish, आपने मुझे आंसर नहीं भेजा. Samay, you did not send me the answer. So we had to do minus 0.25 plus 0.14 minus 0.27. So first I add the negative numbers. You can do negative positive also. You can do one by one. So how should I do? Let me do negative positive first. Or should I do negative negative first? What should I do?
Negative.
Negative negative. So it will become, give me 0. Minus 0.5
Sir, I've sent you
2
the
plus 0.14, which is equal to 0 minus 0.38. So this you will subtract from 80.72. So you will get 0.38. When you subtract, what do you get? 80.34. So that's the value.
Minus 0.36 instead of 3.
Yes. So that will be the value. All right, Kuvar, आपने भी मुझे 8.34 भेजा था.
Sir, I sent 0.38. I didn't subtract it from 80.72.
All right, next total change कितना है? हमारा total change अभी तक हुआ था थर्ड डे के बाद minus 0.38. So minus 2.08 minus 3.04. So this will be 46. This will be minus 5.50. This will be the net change.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've sent this one.
All right, everyone. कोई
Yes, sir.
Yes. No.
problem, guys? Kuvarsa, Tanish.
No, sir.
So that's all for today. Bye. Good night. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye. Good night, guys. Enjoy.